in the last year or so, I was like, you know, when we've had some time and capacity to do a new thing, I was like, all right, we need to make, first it was a camping chef knife. So like the first thing was it should be a chef knife, but then also it should be a camp knife. And then I was thinking about like, well, what are all the things that you would do with an outdoor I'm camping knife? And then there was this thing of self-protection, tactical, and somewhere in that mix, I was like, we started thinking about who could we work with that to like had expertise for this. And I was like, well, you know, truthfully, like I know a lot about making cooking knives and I know a lot about camping, living in Jackson Hole and camping for my entire adult life. It was like, I don't know anything about fighting with knives. I'm running usually, if that were the case. But, and then I just thought of Jack Carr, who you know, I have known him for years. He's been a fan of making our knives. I'm of course a fan of all of his books. And it just crystallized like, oh, this is a perfect fit. So I reached out to him and sort of told him about the idea, and he was like, oh yeah, that sounds great, let's do that thing. And so that is really where it started with, okay, Jack Carr and New West Knife Works, we're gonna make this tactical outdoor chef.